Alright, hey guys, it's Trey. This is just a little disclaimer before the video starts. I want to tell you, I was very broken up about this video because I tried to sing so many different songs and my voice just wasn't right. And even right now, I'm gonna tell you, this is probably gonna be the worst singing you are ever gonna hear, and only two people are gonna watch this. Please don't judge me because this song is. I love this song, but I couldn't sing it, and I was really sad about it. Even if you look at my face, you could tell I was fucking just I was on the break of tears. I'm gonna ask my friend, you remember that day, right, man? You can speak. You don't have to shake your head. Corey, please say something, or I'm gonna seem kind of crazy right now. Say something. Speak. Oh my God! Say something. Say something. Fine. Hey, you tried to bite me. Anyway, enjoy the video. Good day. Hey everybody. I got a little bit of a singing video here for you. I've been doing this for 2 hours, and for some reason I just can't get it right. But let's see. Maybe this time will be different. Looking out across the nighttime, the city winks a sleepless eye. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sighs. Get me out into the nighttime, four walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Looking out across the morning, the city's heart begins to beat. Reaching out, I touch her shoulder. I'm dreaming of the street. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why do they do me that way? If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? I like living this way. Why? Oh, that was very difficult, guys, but it looks like I'm done. I'm never gonna do another singing video. Please, so don't ask unless you ask, and then I'll end up doing another one anyway. But until next time, catch you later.